Welcome back to World Explorer Mind WEM, where we uncover the stories shaping our world today. This is World Explorer Mind WEM, and every week we dive deep into the past, present, and future of our world. From hidden histories to global game changers, you're watching World Explorer Mind WEM. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to join our community. Your support means so much. A quick subscription helps me keep making content you'll love. I really appreciate you being here. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Number 10, the Wonder Spice. Do you want to know the secret behind a long, healthy life? It's no secret that spices and herbs have been used for centuries for their medicinal properties. But one spice in particular stands out as a true gem. Are you ready to discover the amazing benefits of clove? Imagine a tiny clove no bigger than your fingernail, holding the power to transform your health and well-being. It may seem too good to be true, but the science-backed benefits of cloves are nothing short of incredible. From boosting your immune system to improving digestion, reducing pain and inflammation, and even fighting cancer cells, cloves have it all. And the best part, they're incredibly easy to use. You can simply add them to your meals, brew clove tea, or even use clove oil in aromatherapy to experience the amazing benefits of this powerful spice. So get ready to unlock the secrets of cloves and discover how this tiny spice can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. 9. Boosting the immune system. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients like vitamin K, calcium, and fiber. These components help strengthen the body's natural defense mechanisms, making you less susceptible to common illnesses like colds and flu. Studies have shown that the active compound Eugenol found in cloves has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. This means that cloves can help fight off harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi that can cause infections. Additionally, cloves also help boost the immune system by stimulating the production of white blood cells. White blood cells are essential for fighting off infections and diseases in the body. 8. Improving oral health. The American Dental Association recognizes cloves as an effective way to combat bad breath. Cloves can help improve gum health and reduce inflammation, which can contribute to bad breath. Eugenol, the primary compound in cloves, has been shown to have antibacterial properties that can help prevent tooth decay and gum disease. In fact, clove oil is a common ingredient in many toothpaste and mouthwashes due to its ability to promote oral health. You can also use cloves to alleviate toothaches. The anesthetic properties of cloves can help numb the area around a tooth that is experiencing pain. To do this, simply place a small amount of clove oil on a cotton swab and apply it to the affected tooth. 7. Reducing pain and inflammation. Cloves contain anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce pain and swelling in the body. One study found that clove extract was effective in reducing the pain and inflammation associated with osteoarthritis in rats. Another study showed that eugenol, the active ingredient in cloves, could help relieve tooth pain and reduce inflammation in the gums. Topically applying clove oil to the affected area can help reduce pain and inflammation. For example, you can dilute clove oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil and massage it into your gums to reduce inflammation, or rub it onto your temples to alleviate headache pain. 6. Supporting healthy blood sugar levels. Cloves contain compounds that can help regulate blood sugar levels, which is essential for maintaining overall health. A study published in the Journal of Diabetes and its complications found that clove extract could help lower blood sugar levels in diabetic rats. Another study showed that clove extract could help improve insulin sensitivity in people with type 2 diabetes. Drinking clove tea or adding clove powder to your meals can help you manage your blood sugar levels more effectively. 5. Promoting healthy digestion. Cloves contain compounds that can help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and promote healthy digestion. A study published in the Indian Journal of Pharmacology found that clove extract could help improve gastric juice secretion and promote digestion in rats. Another study showed that clove extract could help relieve symptoms of indigestion and bloating in humans. You can drink clove tea after a meal to aid digestion, or add clove powder to your meals to enjoy its digestive benefits. 4. Fighting cancer cells. Cloves contain compounds that can help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote apoptosis, or programmed cell death in cancer cells. A study published in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine found that clove extract could help induce apoptosis in colon cancer cells. Another study showed that clove extract could help suppress the growth of breast cancer cells. While more research is needed to fully understand the anti-cancer properties of cloves, incorporating cloves into your diet may help reduce your risk of certain types of cancer. 3. Reducing menstrual pain. Menstrual pain, also known as dysmenorrhea, is a common condition that affects many people. Cloves contain compounds that can help relax the muscles of the uterus and reduce menstrual pain. A study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that a combination of clove and cardamom essential oils was effective in reducing menstrual pain in women. You can use a heating pad or hot water bottle filled with warm water and a few cloves to alleviate menstrual cramps. 2. Relieving headaches. Headaches are another common ailment that can be painful and debilitating. Cloves contain compounds that can help relax the blood vessels and reduce inflammation, both of which can contribute to headaches. A study published in the Journal of Essential Oil-Bearing Plants found that clove oil was effective in relieving tension headaches when applied as a topical analgesic. You can use clove oil as a massage oil to relieve tension headaches or inhale clove oil to help clear your sinuses and reduce pressure-related headaches. 1. Aiding weight loss. If you're looking to lose weight, cloves may be able to help. Cloves contain compounds that can help boost your metabolism and promote fat burning. A study published in the International Journal of Obesity found that clove extract could help reduce body weight and fat mass in obese women. Drinking clove tea or adding clove powder to your meals can help you lose weight more effectively. That's today's story. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for the next one more stories coming your way soon. Don't just watch history, be part of it. Subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for watching World Explorer Mind WEM.